welcome to an exploration of Johannes Vermeer's masterpiece Het Melkmeisje, or The Milkmaid, painted around 1660. This painting, measuring approximately 45 by 41 centimeters, is a brilliant example of Vermeer's skill in capturing domestic tranquility and the beauty of everyday life. In this work, Vermeer depicts a maidservant pouring milk into a container, standing in a simple kitchen bathed in soft, natural light. The light, streaming from a window on the left, illuminates the maid and the objects around her, creating a serene and intimate atmosphere. Vermeer's meticulous attention to detail is evident in the textures he achieves: the roughness of the bread, the smoothness of the milk, and the crisp folds of the maid's garments. The composition is carefully balanced, with the maid placed centrally, anchoring the viewer's attention. Vermeer uses a limited color palette dominated by